For this excerpt, I choose a paragraph of an essay made on the writing class, and also I choose this paragraph because it has a lot of examples of the structures that we have studied during this semester. As I have been doing before, I'm gonna read it two times. For the first time, and I'm just gonna read it, and for the second time, I'm gonna make pauses to explain the items that are highlighted. Well, I'm going to start. Tomorrowland is not just a music festival for electronic music lovers. It is a meeting point for people from all over the world looking for a unique sensory experience. Tomorrowland has something for everyone, from a lineup featuring some of the best DJs in the world and the craziest visual shows, to the most comforting camping stay where you can relax and have fun with friends. The passion of this community for music is the main reason why this weekend always creates an unforgettable experience. Music unites all our hearts and crosses all geographical and language barriers. So, if you are a traveler looking for a destination full of color, music, and fun, you should definitely try Tomorrowland. Well, I'm gonna read it again. Then we have Tomorrowland is not. Starting with this, the blue items are examples of how can we use the present simple tense in this text. And this first one is an example of a negative present simple form. Is not. Tomorrowland is not just a festival of music festival for electronic music lovers. It is a meeting point for people from all over the world. We have here in black looking for a unique sensory experience. It is an example of a prepositional phrase. Tomorrowland has something for everyone from a lineup featuring some. This word some in red is an example of a quantifier of the best DJs in the world and the craziest, well, with starting with the word and is a conjunction. As I said before, I identify it easily in the name of fanboy, but the right name for this kind of conjunction is coordinating conjunction. And then we have the word craziest, which is comparative, in this case, a superlative adjective. Visual shows to the most comforting camping stay, where you can relax and have fun with friends. All this phrase in black is also a prepositional phrase. And taking these three words, the first one in yellow, can, it is a modal verb. And then we have the word and, which is also a fanboy, a coordinating conjunction. And also the word have, which is an example of a verb in simple present form. Then we have another sentence. The passion of its community for music is the main reason why this weekend always creates an unforgettable experience. Music unites all our hearts and crosses all. The word all in red is also a quantifier, all geographical and language barriers. So this word so is also a fanboy, but we have here a different example of fanboys, and it is also a coordinating conjunction. And here the word if is a conditional, and the whole sentence will be, so if you are a traveler looking for a destination full of color, music, and fun, you should definitely try Tomorrowland. This is an example of a conditional. And the word are is also an example of a simple present form verb. And finally, we have this word in a darker blue, which is should. That is also it is also a modal verb, but also we have this structure in which we work, which is giving advice using this word should, and this is also another of the main reasons I choose this excerpt, because it shows an example of giving advice with the word should.